Welcome back to Supreme Luxury, the channel where power meets prestige, and every detail defines excellence. Today, we're stepping into the bold, unapologetic world of the 2026 BMW XM. A vehicle that doesn't just enter the luxury SUV segment. It dominates it with confidence and attitude. The 2026 BMW XM is not designed to blend in, and that's exactly the point. From the moment you see it, the massive kidney grille, sharp LED lighting, and sculpted body lines announce that this is BMW's most expressive luxury performance SUV. Every angle reflects strength, and every curve speaks of exclusivity. The XM carries a road presence that feels closer to a high-end super SUV than a traditional luxury family vehicle. Under the hood, the 2026 BMW XM continues to showcase BMW M's engineering brilliance. The plug-in hybrid powertrain combines a thunderous V8 engine with advanced electric assistance, delivering breathtaking acceleration while maintaining a refined sense of control. This balance between raw power and modern efficiency defines the XM's personality. Whether you're cruising silently in electric mode or unleashing full performance on open roads, the XM adapts instantly to your mood. Step inside, and the cabin transforms into a private luxury lounge. Premium leather, metallic accents, and ambient lighting surround you with a sense of modern opulence. BMW's attention to detail is evident in every stitch and surface. The seats are not only supremely comfortable, but designed to support you during spirited driving. The panoramic roof and bold interior color options give the XM a unique, almost artistic atmosphere that feels futuristic yet deeply luxurious. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 BMW XM experience. The curved digital display integrates the instrument cluster and infotainment system seamlessly, offering intuitive controls and crisp visuals. Advanced driver assistance features provide confidence on long journeys, while high-end sound systems turn every drive into a concert on wheels. BMW has ensured that luxury here is not just seen, but felt and experienced. On the road, the XM delivers a commanding drive, adaptive suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, and precise steering work together to make this powerful SUV feel surprisingly agile. Despite its size, the XM remains composed through corners and smooth over long distances. It's a vehicle that proves luxury and performance don't have to compete. They can coexist beautifully. The 2026 BMW XM is for those who want more than just transportation. It's for drivers who want statement-making design, thrilling performance, and uncompromising luxury in one bold package. This SUV doesn't follow trends, it sets them. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the 2026 BMW XM, make sure to like the video, subscribe to Supreme Luxury, and turn on notifications so you never miss the latest in elite automotive excellence. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury experience.